thinking, the bracelet is so affordable. You can buy 3 of them and be around $100. But what's great is the layering story here. Look what you have going on. Why don't you explain what you have in your wrist there?
The bracelet is $34.98. I'm sorry to lead with that, but it is. I mean, precious metal. 6,300 of the bracelets have already been picked up. You're seeing your options on my wrist. What you can do is you can choose to match your necklace completely. You can get the silver, you can get the black, you can get the black and silver, whatever you like. But there's all of your choices on your screen. The easy pay is $7. That is unbelievable to me. And these come in that beautiful box that we've been seeing on our set.
Absolutely.
So does the necklace. But this one in particular, John and I were talking before the show, men and women, this is absolutely a beautiful choice for everybody. And this ships March 24th because fresh from the fair.
Fresh from the fair. So all you're doing is reserving yours, but John has
I'm your Vanna now.
the silver, and it looks great. It's definitely unisex. Anybody, the guys, the girls, this is a great product. It's universal. I love it. What do you think?
I love it. And you're seeing the paperclip everywhere right now.
Yeah.
It's so fashion forward, but timeless at the same time.
Yeah.
And this is just so well done because you've got that sparkle in there that you don't usually see in the paperclip.
You know, that more elegant gauge jewelry, I feel like is so popular right now. And that's kind of scratching that itch. So
and because the bracelet's the same as the necklace, people are buying the bracelet, hooking it onto the necklace. So if you have a 22-inch, you buy the 8-inch bracelet, you're getting a 30-inch. Everything works perfectly, and it's seamless because the lobster claws can be in the back.
Right.
You don't see it, so it's really universal. I love jewelry that is like kind of you could just play with it, do whatever you want to do with it, and layer it, or wear whatever length you want.
There's only 1,500 left in the rose gold.
We need to act fast.
Yeah,
these are our new friendship bracelets.
They are our new friendship bracelets.
And by the way, guys, the reason for that is the factory can only make so many by that time frame, but we're going to reach out and see what we can do. We're going to beg and plead. Can you get us more? I don't know if they can.
And David might know 1 or 2 people.
Yes.
Here is the silver choice. Right next door is the black and the silver. Next to that is the yellow. And then at the very end is the yellow and the silver. Now, you can choose any of the colors that you like. You can also get them in small, average, or large. So 6 5/8, 7 1/4, and then I think 8.
Yeah, these fit true to size. They're beautiful. I love layering them. You can layer it with a watch like you have here. You can layer more than one. You can layer another bracelet you have. It's just the perfect scale. Everything with me when I design jewelry is the perfect scale. And why this is a fresh from the fair, guys. Fresh from the fair, in case you just don't know, is a concept that was developed a long time ago. But what it means is it's so hot. We grabbed it from the factory. They wanted to show everybody in retail. Every country in the world goes up to this fair. They want to see product. They wanted this. They would not give it to them. They gave it to me. We took the samples home with us. And here we are today, 3 weeks after the fair, presenting this now, a QVC exclusively.
Well, and we're so lucky to have it. And I look at the workmanship and I think, okay, I'm not going to find this. I've been to Italy. I have walked through those markets. And I mean, I've walked across the Ponte Vecchio and seen the prices of the jewelry in the window. It's not $34.
Absolutely not.
I'll just put it that way.
It's not.
And so to get that kind of craftsmanship on your own wrist or on a loved one's wrist, I mean, this is an anniversary present. This is a birthday present. This is one at a sale price here on our President's Day weekend that you stock up on because, quite frankly, you said you're going to try. But that's not a guarantee.
That's not a guarantee. Not a guarantee. We wanted to get a date that we can definitely make this in time. But, I wanted you to have something that's very Italian. When you wear this, people are going to know that you got it from Italy or that it's Italian. And it's going to look different. It's going to look fresh. You're going to enjoy the compliments because it's so different than the traditional paperclip, which is already a beautiful item in its own right. But now you have all these colors to talk about, and you have this two-tone effect going on. Or if you just want the white or the all yellow, it's beautiful.
We even clipped it into one of the later links. To just give it a little bit of a dangle.
Yeah, you can do that.
But by the way, you said the silver, there were 1,900 left. That's it. The rose, there are 1,400 left now. And I paired it with the black and the silver as well. But you also have the yellow and the silver and the yellow. So there are 5 choices total. But when you think about Italian jewelry, and it comes in this beautiful gift box, this is a gentleman that the experts go to as far as knowledge in the world of jewelry. I remember as being a brand new host and saying, I love jewelry, but I don't know how to build it. And they said, don't worry about it, go talk to David. Okay, Then, as I became a host, you know, a few months in, it was like, no, 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 go back and talk more to David. This is the person that the experts go to. And so when he says, I found something really special, it perks all of our shoppers' ears up. And when you get it on your wrist, it is so comfortable to wear. It's
So
not pulling out
comfortable.
any little
No,
hairs.
nope.
And it just goes with all of your existing jewelry so well. You've really found a beautiful piece.
Well, this is a factory who really specializes in chains. They make curbs, they make Figaros, they make a lot of classic, basic, updated classics or whatever. And they made this idea with something they didn't know they could do. We challenged them on this. And you know, when you do this for as long as I've been doing it, you can challenge ideas and they don't always work. I have to admit it. But this one, they said, you know, let's see what we can do. And they diamond cut right through it. So they, again, I want to explain. They start with the silver, the sterling silver, the white. They'll plate over it. They'll put a layer over it of yellow, and then they diamond cut through so the silver comes through, and it's that beautiful shimmer of diamond cutting, which I think looks like diamonds, to be honest with you.
I think so too.
When you see it far away, when I'm looking at it on you, everywhere you move, it
The
just
light just
shimmers and
plays.
shines, and I love that.
7,000 have now been ordered since we've made it available here at QVC. It will ship to you March 24th, but please know, if you want to reserve your order, you've got to do it tonight because already in that rose gold, it's limited. In the silver, I think we're also getting limited. We have black and silver, yellow and silver.
We're getting to the point where we have to give those orders to the factory.
I know,
I'm just telling you right now, it's a very
rose and silver are more limited, so please reserve yours. David's true to his word. He will get it out to you.
Yes, we'll make sure we get it to you.
Thank you for being here
Thank
tonight.
you. Bye-bye.
So much. Good to
seeing
see you. J446364, we are not going to have time for this, but we wanted to give you the heads